So, I'll be unboxing this Hybe official light stick and the BTS ARMY membership freebie photo cards. Actually, na-open ko na yung isa. I bought 2 kasi. So, ito, hindi pa open yung isa. But this one, yan, na-open ko na. So, the box looks like this. Tapos, pag open mo, meron siyang ganito. So, nakalabas na. So, this one, yung manual. This is your manual. Then, meron siyang lalagyan. Nandito yung battery. Actually, tinanggal ko na siya. So, ang kasama niya is this one. So, parang lalagyan ng battery. And then, the battery looks like this. So dito siya charge. Ayan. Cute Hybe. Tapos ito yung may kasama siya yung lalagyan na and itong USB port type C. Okay. So, try natin. So, lalagay ko siya dito sa ARMY bomb ko. So, yung ARMY bomb kasi meron siyang port battery, ano talaga, for, ano ba to? AAA ba to? Double A yata. Anyway, so tatanggalin mo lang yung parang port. And then, ito na ipapalit mo. Ayan. Tapos, close ko lang siya. Dali. Ayan. Try natin. Wait lang. Hindi ko pa siya fully na-close. Pero, ito natin kung mag-on na siya. Ay, wait. Close ko. Kailangan talaga i-close. Dali. Okay, so ito na. Na siya, naka-Bluetooth mode. And then, off. And using the Hybe battery. Yay! Ready na for tomorrow. Yay! Kim Namjoon, Kim Seokjin, Min Yoongi, Jung Hoseok, Park Jimin, Kim Taeyeon, Jung Jungkook, BTS! Yay! Yay! Okay, so now we move to the global official Hybe Club BTS ARMY gift. Okay. So actually na-open ko na. So ang laman nito pag binuksan mo, it's actually this one. Itong ilagyan na to. Yung candy dito galing to kay Jimin. So I bought this dun sa Truth Untold exhibit sa Tokyo, Shinjuku. And then nilagay ko siya dito, ibabaon ko. So yeah. Ito actually, ito yung card na lang para muna pakita ko. Dali. Yung card. Tapos meron siya actually name ko. Yay! Yan siya. Tapos, pag open, madali. Ito yung box. mo siya. Actually, tinanggal ko na kasi yun lang. So, ito, naka-cover ito. Yun. And then, kasama yung photo cards. Namjoon. And meron din siyang BTS. Ay, wow, cute. Yeah. Okay, so isa-isay natin yung photo card. Ito yung photo card. Namjoon. Jin. Seokjin. Suga. Close up din natin si Seokjin. Jin. Suga. J-Hope. See you tomorrow. Yay! Jimin. V. Oh, V Simon siya. And JK, my love. Hello, I miss you. Miss you all. Yun. Dali. Iayusin natin. Yan. Hey. So, Kim Namjoon, Kim Seokjin, Min Yoongi, Jung Hoseok, Park Jimin, Kim Taeyeon, Jung Jungkook, BTS! Yay! So I got this Iggy prints, personalized and sticker shock deca for J-Hope's concert. Padating lang din yan. So I got the lanyard, light stick lanyard, and yung sticker. And the sticker, J-Hope, hey, on the stage. So meron siyang instructions on how to apply the vinyl deca. Okay. And my free cute sticker you got me. I got it. J-Hope photo card. Yes. So, medyo nahirapan ako ikabit siya. But this is how it looks like. J-Hope. Yay! And ito yung lanyard. Ang ganda yung lanyard. So, pwede mo siyang bitbitin. Yay! See you, J-Hope! Sarangi! Annyeong! Thanks again for watching. Please do click like and subscribe for more unboxing